As a homeowner in Taylor, your doors play a critical role in maintaining the security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home. Over time, even the most well-constructed doors can wear out, making them less effective and potentially costing you money and comfort. But how do you know when it's time to replace a door? This guide will walk you through the key signs that indicate it might be time for a door upgrade. Visible damage or wear and tear. One of the most obvious signs that you need a door replacement is visible damage. Cracks, dents, warping, or peeling paint can compromise the door's structural integrity and appearance. Wooden doors, in particular, are prone to warping due to moisture exposure. Over time, these imperfections can weaken the door, making it less secure and less appealing. If repairs are no longer sufficient to restore your door's condition, a replacement might be the best solution. Drafts or air leaks. Do you feel a draft near your door even when it's closed? Air leaks around a door can significantly impact your home's energy efficiency, causing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This not only increases your energy bills but also affects your indoor comfort. Check for drafts by running your hand around the edges of the door or using a candle to see if the flame flickers. If you notice air leaks, it's time to consider a new, energy-efficient door. Difficulty opening or closing the door. A properly functioning door should open and close smoothly. If you find yourself struggling with a sticking door, or if it's hard to lock or latch, there may be underlying issues. Misalignment, swelling, or a warped frame can cause these problems. While some minor adjustments can solve these issues, persistent trouble may indicate the need for a replacement to ensure proper functionality and security. Excess noise. Do your doors squeak, rattle, or make other noises when they're in use? This could be a sign of worn-out hinges, loose components, or structural problems with the door itself. Over time, these issues can worsen, making your door not only annoying but potentially unsafe. Replacing an old, noisy door with a modern option can improve both your home's ambiance and functionality. Moisture damage or rot. Doors that are exposed to the elements, especially wooden ones, are susceptible to moisture damage and rot. Signs of water infiltration include discoloration, swelling, or soft spots. Left unaddressed, moisture damage can spread to the doorframe and surrounding areas, leading to costly repairs. If you notice these issues, replacing your door with a more durable material, such as fiberglass or steel, can prevent further problems. Outdated style or appearance. Sometimes, the need for a door replacement is about more than functionality. It's about enhancing the look and feel of your home. If your current door feels outdated or doesn't match your home's aesthetic, a replacement can instantly boost curb appeal. Modern doors come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to customize the look to suit your taste and add value to your home. Poor security features. Your front door is the first line of defense against intruders. If your current door lacks modern security features or feels flimsy, it might be time to upgrade. Modern doors often include reinforced materials, multi-point locking systems, and smart technology options, providing peace of mind and better protection for your family. Increased energy bills. An old or poorly insulated door can cause your energy bills to spike due to heat loss in the winter and cool air escaping in the summer. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door with proper insulation can help reduce energy costs and make your home more eco-friendly. Frequent repairs. If you've been spending time and money on frequent door repairs, it's worth considering a replacement. While repairs might provide temporary relief, a new door can save you money in the long run by eliminating the need for constant fixes. Final thoughts. Your doors are more than just entryways. They're vital components of your home's security, comfort, and style. By recognizing the signs that it's time for a replacement, you can take proactive steps to enhance your home's performance and value. Whether it's visible damage, poor energy efficiency, or outdated design, replacing a worn-out door is an investment that pays off in multiple ways. If you're a homeowner in Taylor and notice any of these issues, don't hesitate to explore your options and upgrade to a door that meets your needs and enhances your home.